Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI MediaPad T5 and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and in this left section we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on language and input and tap on language at the top. And as you can see, this is the list of all kind of currently applied languages. I mean, this is the shortcut of the with the languages which are commonly used by you or by me. So first of all, let's try to add a language. So let's tap on this option, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So all you have to do is to find yours and tap on it, and I will pick Greek. Of course, you can pick the region also. And as you can see, in my case, the Greek language has been immediately applied to this list. However, the English is still a main one. So all we have to do right now is to reorder the languages, because the language which is at the top is applied. So all we have to do is to tap on it and hold it. I mean, tap on the the newly added language, and then let's drag it to the very first position. And of course wait. And as you can see, within a second, the whole system, the whole menu will be displayed in the chosen language. Let me show it to you again. Tap on it and hold it and drag it to the first position. Okay, it had some troubles, but we can see that the English has been applied. If you want to, you can also remove the languages from this list, from this kind of a shortcut. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on Remove Preferred Language. Now we can mark the languages we want to remove and tap on the trash bin icon. Confirm it with OK. And as you can see, we've got only English left. Alright, and that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.